Hey everyone, it's me, Marley, back to bring you another episode of Cheat Codes and review all things banks. What do they do, how do they work, how they help you, and how they make money? We plan to review it all, so let's dive in. A bank, in the most simple of terms, is a financial institution where customers can safely keep their money. Banks work by paying its customers, that's you, to let them hold their money. When a person makes a deposit into their bank account, the bank can then lend other people that money. Your money. The customer that deposits the money gains a small amount of interest on the amount they give the banks to lend. The bank then makes money by collecting interest on the loans that they lend out. That is, at its core, the simple definition of how a bank works. That being said, there are a few ways that banks can make money through something called interchange. Basically, with interchange, every time you swipe a card at a store, that store pays a small percentage of money to the bank that issued the card, called an interchange fee. For credit cards, this is around 1.7% of the total amount spent, while for debit cards, it's closer to 1.1%. This is one of the primary ways that banks make money. Another way they make money is through fees. These are the fees that your bank charges you, including ATM fees, overdraft fees, and late payment fees. The average household in the US ends up paying about $200 annually in bounce check fees and overdraft fees alone. So, to recap, banks are financial institutions where customers can save and borrow money. In return for keeping money with the bank, they give you interest on the money that you save with them. Banks make money on the interest on the loans that they give out and the fees that are associated with the banks and the cards they issue. That's it for me. Be sure to check in for more episodes of Cheat Codes rolling out in the very near future. Later, everyone. Marley out.